In the infinite expanses of the cosmos, a dark shadow looms. Somewhere in the black vastness of space, a sinister shape takes form, a colossal asteroid set on a collision course with Earth. The consequences of this cosmic encounter could be nothing short of apocalyptic. Imagine the destruction that would follow such a cataclysmic meeting. Giant tsunamis, uncontrollable fires, dust clouds that would obscure the sun. We're looking at a terrifying vision that could mark the final chapter of Earth's story. A cataclysmic encounter that may very well signal the end of days for our beloved home planet. Imagine the destruction that would follow this cataclysmic encounter. A colossal asteroid meeting Earth with an impact that shakes the very core of our planet. The immediate aftermath, gigantic tsunamis sweeping across our oceans, swallowing everything in their path. Uncontrollable fires would ignite, consuming our forests, our homes, our cities, and as if that weren't enough, the collision would kick up an impenetrable cloud of dust that would cloak our world, obscuring the sun and casting us into a deep, enduring night. Crops would fail, temperatures would plummet, and life as we know it would struggle to survive. A terrifying vision that could mark the final chapter of Earth's story. As the asteroid inexorably approaches, humanity is in a desperate race against time. Our greatest minds, the scientists, are working tirelessly, poring over data and schematics. World leaders are in constant dialogue, pooling resources and strategies. Experts in various fields are brought together, all hands on deck for this global mission. The collective genius of the human race is firing on all cylinders, devising potential solutions to avert this looming catastrophe. But the question remains, is it too late to avoid the inevitable? As we stare into the unknown, many turn to their loved ones. In these moments of farewell and reflection, we see the true essence of humanity, a poignant testament to our collective courage in the face of cosmic uncertainty. Awareness is our only hope. As we stand on the precipice of a cosmic catastrophe, it's crucial that we foster a global consciousness. Our collective action is indispensable in averting this stark future. Remember, every action counts, every voice matters. And so, we conclude this penetrating look into a possible cosmic tragedy. Let's share this knowledge far and wide, stir up conversations, and together awaken a global consciousness. Until next time, brave viewers, amidst the uncertainty that looms in the cosmos.